aches and pains, or trials and tribulations, house music is the answer.
Hello everyone, we are here at the India Gaming Show. Let's go and check out what do they have in store for us. Stay tuned. The fourth edition of the India Gaming Show 2023 was held between 16 to 18th Feb at Pragati Maidan in New Delhi. This gaming convention brought gamers, PC enthusiasts, esports players and gaming brands all under a single roof to experience and play their favorite games. The theme of this year's gaming show was Defining New Frontiers, the Future of Gaming in India. There were several exhibition booths from gaming and PC brands such as Sony, AMD, Western Digital, and esports, Jet Synthesis, OnePlus, Valorant, LG, and Nodewin Gaming. The Sony booth powered by DT Zone had PS5 units in limited quantities for those who wanted to buy it straight off the show floor, and people got together to participate and win PlayStation merchandises. All PS5 accessories were also shown off to the visitors alongside some AAA titles. At the Western Digital booth, there was a showcase of WD storage products and Experience PC gaming. Riot Games also made its debut at the India Gaming Show 2023 with a Valorant booth where players and fans could experience the world of Valorant and its Indian agent, Harbor. And esports also made its presence felt at the IGS 2023 with a jam-packed booth showcasing some cool and striking PC cabinets and other accessories in partnership with gaming brands. So those were some of the key highlights from the India Gaming Show. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified for whenever we publish a new video.